Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite low vision friend Kay, back with another video. And today in this video I am reviewing this gorgeous Afrolicious big hair don't care natural looking wig. Now if you want to know the specs and details of this unit, continue watching. If you want to skip to it, I have timestamps down below. To each his own. There you go. But before we get into the video and start talking about this gorgeous hair, I am partnered up with Dossier. They are a perfume brand that makes high quality perfumes for affordable prices. Perfumes, dupes, and inspired perfume fragrances that are inspired by higher end luxury fragrances like Tom Ford, Chanel, Gucci, Dior, Versace, all perfumes like that for very inexpensive prices. Now they sent me this perfume that we will be reviewing today. Now when you do purchase from Dossier, you will get your perfumes in these little boxes like so, and all you have to do is open it like this. I love their packaging, by the way. It always has a stock card basically telling you what perfume you have and the specs of the perfume. Now I got the Aquatic coconut fragrance. Now this is inspired by Maison Margiela Replica Beach Walk. So this perfume, I'm expected to get beach vibes, ocean, summer, vacation vibes from this perfume. Okay, so this will be a great vacation perfume for my ladies out there. Now you also get the perfume in these little container things. Now they have little mini perfumes for the regular size perfumes. Sorry. But yeah, they have mini perfumes for the regular size standard perfumes, so you can try the sample size out first before you try this out first, just to see if the fragrance matches with your skin, your body, whatever. And if you don't like the scent, it's not what you expected, you can send the purchase back with free return. They have a, I think it's 30-day risk-free trial once you get your item. Now they do have magnetic tops, which I absolutely love from Dossier. But let's smell Aquatic coconut. I love the smell. I would put the notes, the base, middle, and top notes to this fragrance in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. But it's really giving me tropical beach vibes. I really do like this fragrance. This will be a great fragrance for vacation, summer. This summer you could rock this fragrance. Now they do have a 20% welcome discount code once you do your first purchase, and you can also get 30% off using my discount code nahkaynaturalbiz. I'll link it in the video and in the description box below, and also that'll give you 30% off. It's a 10% plus the 20%, 30, save you some coins, honey. Okay, plus the more you buy the fragrances, as far as if you buy 2 or 3, you also get a discount. The more fragrances you buy, the cheaper it will be. So let's get into this video. Okay, I have this wig. I already opened it, so I just had it in the package. I had this wig for a few months now. This is the unit I was wearing in my birthday shoot, wore for my birthday and whatnot. If you don't follow me on Instagram at nahkaynaturalbiz. You can see those birthday pictures, but this is excuse me, this is the wig I was using. This is the Freetress Equal Synthetic Wig. The name is Afro Large. I got it in the color 1B. So let's take it out the packaging. Now, when you do purchase this unit, as far as putting it back in the packaging, I kind of stuff the hair into it and then package it this way. If you did it the other way, it was very, very, very hard to put back in the little bag that it came in. So that's how I did that. Now, as you can see, it does not have, since we have the cap construction out, it does not have any combs. With this unit, it only has adjustable straps. That is all that this unit provides, is adjustable straps. Now, this is a full wig. It has yaki texture. It claims it has a medium cap size, but that is all. I'm not sure if you can put heat to it. If you can, I'll put it in the description box, as well as where you can purchase this unit, where I bought it at, and the color and everything. All the wig details will be in the description box below. So when I first took this out the packaging, I will tell you, it looks crazy. Like, before you don't even put it on, the wig looks crazy out of the packaging. I was hesitant on the wig, to be honest, because how it looks, to me, it's very, very, very poor quality. It seemed like they just took some hair, fluffed it out, and just glued it or sewn it onto this unit. So as far as quality is concerned, I would say this is a very, very low quality wig. This will be mostly for just occasionals and whatnot. Just wouldn't be an everyday unit, just for special occasions. If you're doing a big photo shoot, going on a vacation or something like that, this wig will be good. But as far as everyday, this will be a wear and tear wig. It's mostly just for just special events and occasions, honestly. Now, it did say that they claimed it as a costume wig. I am a little offended by that, being that it is an afro, for it to be a costume wig per se. But that's my opinion, to each his own. So let's put her on. Since it's saying that it's medium cap size, this wig is very, very snug, to be honest. It's very snug. I wouldn't really say it's big head friendly. For those that head size is bigger than mine, it's not big head friendly. But this is what she's looking like. I will fluff it out some more, but this is her on straight out. I haven't did anything to it besides when I last wore it. So let's see what we can do to it right now. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Now, you could trim it and frame your face with this wig. The more you pick it out, the bigger it would get. Now, they do have a small and medium version of this wig if this is too much hair for you. I really like it. For me, this is like my dream style hair that I want. So this is what I want my natural hair to look like. It's growing. It's not here yet, but it will get there someday, soon. But this is what she is looking like. This is her from the front to the left, the right, and then the back. But other than that, I do like this for what I was trying to get out of this unit. But as far as like I said, the everyday use, I wouldn't use this as an everyday wig. In my opinion, I wouldn't, but you can do it if you want to. If you are interested in this unit, the link is in the description box of where I purchased her from. Very inexpensive. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment down below, would you rock this unit or would you get the other smaller units and whatnot? Do you like this on me? Should I get it in a different color? Let me know in the description, in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow me at all my socials. It will be in the description box below. Instagram, nahkaynaturalbiz, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, nahkaynaturalbiz. So I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, loves.
Yeah, daddy, you know. I'ma need you guys to like, subscribe, comment, share. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, comment, share. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, comment, share.